Today we're working on a 2002 Lexus LX470. We're going to show you how to change out the amplifier for our Amplinq. Alright, so the first step here will be taking off these covers on the side here. So we need to lift up the seat. To do that, you just take a pry tool and pretty much you just pry off the sides here and pull out. You also might have to pry down here a little bit, but it should pull out towards you at the end. We'll do the same on this side. There we go. And there you can see kind of the clips that hold that all in. And here's the other side. And then next we'll be pulling off this cover here. And you just need to undo these, or you can pull up on them. You might have to loosen them a little for them to come off. It looks like these weren't tightened all the way. And those just tighten onto these two bolts here. And so now that we've got all that removed back here, we'll go to the front and pull off those covers, and then we'll get the seat taken out. Alright, so for the front here, we'll do the same by popping this off. There we go. And then we'll move to the one over here on the left. There we go. Alright, so now we'll undo these 14mm bolts that hold in the seat. And now we can move over to this other one on the left. And then next we can move to the back two. And back here we'll take out these two. And now we'll move over to this one over here. And now we've got these three bolts down here we're going to take out. These two are for the factory navigation, and this one will be for the factory amp. Alright, and so now that we have everything out back here, we're going to move the seat back one more time and we'll take out some more stuff up front. Alright, so to get the amplifier out on this side, we just need to undo this little clip right here. And And then we're gonna have some 10 millimeters here. We'll need to take the factory nav and just move it to the side so the amp can come out. And then we'll have 2 right here we need to take out for the amp. Alright, and so now that everything's out, we can just pick up the factory nav, and we're just going to set that sideways right here. And then the amplifier, we can just lift up on it and kind of wiggle it out. There we go. And then this ground actually can come off right here. There we go. And now that we're at the factory amp, there's 2 plugs here. I'll just undo those. And then we've got the factory amp out, and we can go ahead and take off the bracket here. Alright, so we have our amp bracket here. We have our 2 amplifiers here. Those will power the tweeters, the door woofers, and then the subwoofer. And then we've got our Amplinq here, which, you know, talks to the radio and communicates there to give us our audio out. And then we've got our OEM connections right here. So we'll go ahead and get this connected real quick and show you how to bolt it all in. Alright, so to get this in here, we're just going to go ahead and plug these in. And then we'll slide it back in place, just like we got the factory one out. There we go. We just want to make sure we don't lose this. You just want to make sure all your cables get tucked and that these factory harnesses are able to fit. Alright, so now that we've got everything in place here, we can go and put our ground back on. And this amplifier bracket will look a little different from the one that we'll be selling. We're going to make some minor changes to it, so if it looks a little different, that's why. Alright, and now that this side's down, we're ready to put this factory nav module back in place. And before you tighten these all the way down, just kind of double check on the front side or the back side of the seat. Make sure those 2 holes are lined up. that's in place, we can put this back in here, this clip. And then now we're ready to put the seat back down and we can get it bolted back in place. Alright, so we're ready to put these back in on the front now. And you want to make sure for these that you tighten them down all the way. There we go. And then we'll do the left side over here. Alright, so now we're ready to put these covers back on for the front. There we go. And then we'll do the same on the left side here. Alright, and for the rear here, we need to put our 10mm back in. We do have the amplifier rack out right now because we're modifying it currently. But don't forget to put in one of the bolts right here. And that'll hold in the amplifier bracket on this side. And we've got the 2 bolts here. This will go for the navigation module. And then lastly, we'll have the 2 that go in for the seat here. Here we go. And now we're ready to put these caps on here. There we go. There we go. And then we've got this cover here. We can go ahead and take these out. You want to set it on top and just make sure that both of those bolts go through. There we go. And now we've got it all back together, and that'll be the Amplinq installed there.